Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the CyberPower OR500LCDRM1U Smart App LCD UPS Battery Backup. We've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The CyberPower OR500LCDRM1U is a compact yet powerful uninterruptible power supply, UPS, designed to provide reliable battery backup and surge protection for your essential equipment. Operating at 500 VA and 300 W, this UPS uses simulated sine wave output to ensure that your network devices, servers, and telecom installations remain protected, even during power interruptions or fluctuations. One of its standout features is the 6 NEMA 5-15R outlets. 4 of these outlets provide battery backup and surge protection, while 2 are dedicated solely to surge protection. This setup allows you to connect multiple devices without worrying about losing power or damaging your equipment during a surge. The unit comes with a 10-foot power cord, giving you flexibility in placing it within your workspace or server room. Another notable aspect of the OR500LCDRM1U is its multifunction LCD panel. This display provides critical information at a glance, such as runtime in minutes, battery status, and power conditions. It also alerts users to potential problems before they can disrupt your work, ensuring that you stay informed about your power supply's health. For those who need more advanced monitoring, there's an option to install the Card 205 management card for remote management capabilities. The automatic voltage regulation (AVR) feature is another essential aspect of this UPS. It corrects minor power fluctuations without switching to battery power, which helps prolong the life of the battery and ensures that your equipment receives stable power at all times. This is particularly important for sensitive electronics that can be affected by power irregularities. Safety is a top priority for CyberPower, and the OR500LCDRM1U is UL Safety certified. This means it has been rigorously tested in certified labs and meets or exceeds industry safety standards. Additionally, it comes with a 3-year warranty, including batteries, and a $300,000 connected equipment guarantee, which provides peace of mind knowing your devices are protected. So, who is this product suitable for? The CyberPower OR500LCDRM1U is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, home offices, or even individual users who require reliable backup power for their critical devices. Whether you're a small business owner looking to protect your servers, or a remote worker needing to safeguard your computer and networking equipment, this UPS provides the essential support to keep your operations running smoothly during unexpected outages. In terms of practical use cases, think about a scenario where there's a sudden power outage during an important video conference or while you're in the middle of a crucial project. With the CyberPower OR500LCDRM1U, you can rest assured that your devices will stay powered long enough to save your work and gracefully shut down, avoiding potential data loss. Similarly, if you're managing a server room, this UPS can help maintain uptime for your network devices, ensuring seamless business operations. To sum it up, the CyberPower OR500LCDRM1U Smart App LCD UPS Battery Backup is a robust solution for anyone looking to protect their critical electronic equipment from power issues. With its various features, user-friendly display, and reliable performance, it's a valuable addition to any workspace. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,